Hey there! So, this video is to show you how to retake a quick quiz. And at some point in time, you probably will have to retake a quick quiz. That's okay. It's part of the learning process. And when we make mistakes, that's truly when we are learning. So we just want to give you that opportunity to be able to correct those mistakes because quick quizzes are worth 25% of your grade. Okay, so target number one is what I'm going to click on. So if I click there, I'm going to read, I have the decimals, and then you notice here's our quick quiz that we took yesterday, and then I have a proof of practice that is going to show up. So this proof of practice is what I'm going to click on, and when I do the proof of practice, again, I'm going to take this quiz, so it's 8 points, there's going to be 8 questions. I'm going to answer all 8 of these questions. I need to get 100% on this proof of practice in order for me to retake the quick quiz. Okay, so when I answer this, I have to get 100%. Reattempt it until you get 100%. Okay, remember, write your answers down or take screenshots to help make sure that you're saving your answers. Okay, and then once you get 100%, so let me go back to this page. Once you get 100%, then you can click on the retake right here and answer those questions. Okay, so at this moment it is locked, but it will be unlocked for you to be able to retake it. Okay, so reminder, 100% on the proof of practice, then you can retake, and you will get 2 attempts to retake any quick quiz. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Mrs. Moen. All right. See ya.